Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious peach pie. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 ripe peaches, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You will also need a double pie crust, which can be homemade or store-bought. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's ready for baking. This initial preparation sets the stage for a perfect pie. Next, let's prepare the peach filling. Carefully peel, pit, and slice your peaches into uniform 1/2-inch thick pieces. In a large bowl, gently combine the sliced peaches with the sugar, flour, and a small pinch of cinnamon for added flavor. Once mixed, pour this delightful peach mixture evenly into your prepared bottom pie crust. Ensure the peaches are distributed well for consistent baking. Now it's time to assemble and bake your pie. Carefully place the second pie crust over the peach filling, then crimp the edges to seal it securely. Don't forget to cut several small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape, preventing a soggy pie. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue baking your peach pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, it's crucial to let the pie cool for at least 3 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly. For a truly life-changing perspective on money, check out the book linked in the description, along with other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade peach pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.